What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, in order to solve the Rubik's Cube, you're going to need to know a few things before you can actually solve it. Okay, first thing you're going to need to know is it's that the center colors tell you what color the side is supposed to be. So then this center is blue, so we know this whole side is supposed to be blue, etc., like yellow, whole side yellow. Okay. Next thing you're going to need to know is what I'm going to call all the layers and all the faces. This top layer here, if you imagine it's facing towards you and then you spin it clockwise, this top layer is going to be known as up. And this, up inverted. So up, up inverted. Okay. This is front. Front, front inverted. This is facing you. The side on the right, it's going to be known as right, okay? Right, right inverted. Then this is left side, so left, left inverted. This is down, down, down inverted. Okay, now what you're going to need to know is you're going to need to know what algorithms are. Algorithms are a set of moves that once you apply them to a Rubik's Cube, you'll be able to go back into the same position it was before. So let's take a very simple algorithm like right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Just 4 moves. When you use this algorithm on a Rubik's Cube, if you repeat it again and again, you manage to get it from solved cube, scramble it, and then solve it again. Let me show you. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. 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 See? Solved again. Okay, now you need to know everything that you need in order to solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay then, step 1. Well, first of all, we need to scramble this. Okay, that looks good. Okay, step 1. I'm going to be starting off with the blue side. You can start off with any color that you want, but I'm going to be starting off with the blue, so if you want to follow this video, you might want to use the blue as well. Okay. First of all, we're going to be doing the cross of whatever color that you chose. Well, in this case, it's blue, so we're going to be doing the blue cross. So we're going to need to solve these center edge pieces. We know this face is supposed to be blue because of the blue center. So what we need to do is find a blue center edge piece that looks like this. So here's one. What you need to do is you need to get it so that the blue sticker is facing opposite of the blue side. So in this case, it needs to be on the green side. The blue needs to come here. What you need to do is move it down and then spin it to the right and then move it up again. Okay? You see? Now it's down here. Now what you need to do is, you need to match this center, this sticker to the center of that color. So in this case it's white, so we spin it here. Now you see it's a white line. Now all you need to do is do front 2, and now you can see we've got this blue line here and this white line here. Now we need to repeat this for the others. So here's a blue center edge piece, take it to the bottom. Okay then, now match the centers, and then up 2, and then now you can see we've got this line and we've got the centers as well. Here's another one. Match the red center, so here it is. And then front 2, bring it up. Now you can see, nearly done. Okay then, here's the blue and orange one, but in this case the orange is already matched up so all we need to do is do front, and as you can see, blue cross. So you should end up with a cross and then all these centers lined up like so. That's the end of step 1. Okay, step 2. Now what we're going to do is we're going to solve these 4 blue corners. To know what color the corner is, you just look at the center surrounding it. So in this case, it's blue, orange, yellow. Let's look for a blue, orange, yellow. There it is, blue, orange, yellow, blue, orange, orange, yellow. There you go. Now we're going to need to use the algorithm I showed you before. Right inverted, down inverted, right down. So let's show it. Right inverted, down inverted, right down. 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 See, now that's gone from there to there. And it's also, you can match these, like the blues lined with the blue, the orange with the orange, and the yellow with the yellow. Now let's repeat that for the others. Let's see, this is blue, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow. Okay, so let's repeat it. Right inverted, down inverted, right down. 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 What color is this? This is blue, red, white. Let's look for the blue, red, white. Here it is. Blue, red, white, blue, red, white. Do the same thing. Right inverted, down inverted, right down. Right inverted, down inverted, right down. Right inverted, down inverted, right down. Here it is. Blue, red, white. Okay, just this last corner. Blue, orange, white. Blue, orange, white. Let's do the same thing. Right inverted, down inverted, right down. 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 See, now this whole blue side is finished, and now we've also got this first layer, and we've also matched it with the centers. Now you've completed step 2. Okay then, step 3, we're going to flip the Rubik's Cube so that the solved side is on the bottom. And now what we're going to do is we're going to solve these center edge pieces to solve the second layer. Okay then, to solve the center edge piece, you need to find 2 of the same color, like red and white, okay? So here's red, white, here's the white, red one. You need to match this color with that center, so bring in here. So now you've got this, white with white. Okay, and now this needs to move to the left. So it needs to go from here to here. So you need to use this algorithm. Up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front inverted. As you can see, the blue side has stayed the same, and the red and white piece has gone from here to here. Okay then, now let's see. Here's a good example. The orange is in line with the orange center, but this time the white it needs to go to the left again, so let's do the same thing. Up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front inverted. Okay. Here's the same thing, red, yellow, needs to go to the left, up inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Okay then, here's the orange and the yellow, and as you can see, this piece, this time it needs to go to the right. So this is the algorithm you use in case it needs to go to the right. Use up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. As you can see, it's gone this time, instead of going to the left, it's gone to the right. And now, as you can see, the whole center layer is solved, and so is the first layer. Okay then, that's it for step 3. Okay, for step 4, we're going to be solving the green cross. As you can see, in my case, it's already solved. And here are the possible positions the top face can be in. It can either be in a green cross, like it is now. It can be in an L-like shape. It can be in a line. It can be in a cross again. And it can also be in just a dot. Okay, what you need to do is perform this algorithm. Once you have an L and it's almost like it's flipped over, it's mirrored, have it so that it's like this on the top layer, and then perform this algorithm. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Now just repeat that algorithm until you get the cross. See, now we have the green cross, okay? That's it for step 4. Alright, now on to step 5. For step 5, we're going to be solving these center edge pieces. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find 2 center edge pieces that are already solved. So look at this. White, white, orange, orange. And these 2 are next to each other, so they're already solved. Okay, what you need to do is put one of them in your right hand, like this, and then the other one is at the back. And now you need to perform this algorithm. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, 2. Okay, and then right inverted. Okay, now what you need to do is do one final up, and now all these center edge pieces should be solved. What can also happen is sometimes the two solved center edge pieces are opposite each other. When this happens, you just need to perform the algorithm once, find two that are next to each other, and then perform it again. Then all the center edge pieces should be solved. Okay, that's it for step 5. For step 6, what you need to do is, you need to look for, we're going to be solving these corners. Not solving, but we're going to be positioning these corners. To position these corners, you're going to need to find one that's solved already. If one's not solved already, then you use this algorithm. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. Now there should be one that's solved. Here, green, orange, white, green, orange, white. Now we need to, these 3 corners are not solved though, so we need to put the solved corner in the bottom right hand corner and then use the same algorithm. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. As you can see, it's still not solved. Sometimes you may have to perform this algorithm twice or more until you get it right. But let's do it one more time. Up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left. As you can see, now all the 4 corners in the right place: green, red, white, green, red, white, green, orange, white, green, orange, white, green, orange, yellow, and green, red, yellow. Okay, that's it for step 6. Now on to step 7. Nearly done. Okay, now this is going to look like you're completely scrambling the cube, but don't worry, it will work. What you're going to need to do is put one corner in the bottom right hand. Okay, and then what you need to do now is we're going to use the same algorithm that we used before. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. We could repeat this move until this has solved itself, so that the green is here, the red is here, and the yellow is here. Okay, right inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. As you can see, now the corner is solved, so that the green is matched with the green, the red matched with the red, and the yellow matched with the yellow. Once you have done this, do one single up inverted, and then repeat this. Right inverted, right, down. Right inverted, right, down. Okay then, this corner is solved. Now just this last corner. Right inverted, right, down. Right inverted, right, down. Now you can see, now that we just need the top layer, just spin it around, and then there you go. You have officially solved the Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to click the like, comment, and subscribe button if this has helped you. Thanks for watching. Bye.